Different concepts. Some mango chutney on the side. So
What is it? Sorry?
so it's your it's your papadam, yeah.
It's a papadam in mango chutney.
Before it.
I think you have to go to
This is for me. What is that?
Here we have the mini Raj Kachori. It is a lentil puff soaked with a lot of ingredients like tamarind, potato, mango, mint. It's gonna open up your palate for the rest of the meal. You can enjoy it in one bite. This is the baked jackfruit samosa with pepper chili right on the side. We recommend you put in the cookie on top.
Top with this, huh?
And this is completely vegetarian.
Very good. There you go.
Yeah.
This is a black truffle, sorry.
black truffle chili cheese naan.
Limone? Yeah. Sorry. The lemon from where?
India.
Kazakhstan.
From India, and then the banana from Lama.
Where's that?
Sponsored by Skinny Morris.
Is it to me?
Without Tonio? Onion Festival. Onion Festival.
Oh, that's what you are talking
So
about.
this is what you say this chicken.
So this is the paneer. This is the Punjabi Piaz, the paneer paneer less spicy, and this is the chickpea curry that is not spicy, and this is the raita with curry and then
This is for me, no? No.
no, this is for them. This is a little bit.
Oh, that's mine.
That's yours. Here's mine. Here's the orderly butter chicken, the Malabar fish curry,